22. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is the largest city in Catalonia and has over a dozen Antoni Gaudí installations scattered throughout, the most famous being Sagrada Familia and Parc Güell. This city is perfect for any fan of Catalan modernism. 23. Iguazu Falls, Argentina. The Iguazu Falls are the largest waterfall systems in the world, located on the border of Argentina and Brazil. 24. Key West, Florida. Known as the southernmost spot in the United States, Key West is synonymous with heaven. You can do everything here, from beach hopping to checking out monuments like Ernest Hemingway's house and museums. 25. Giza, Egypt, home to the Great Sphinx and the Great Pyramid of Giza. This city was Egypt's capital during the first pharaoh's reign. It's also must-see on everyone's bucket list. Number 26. Comino Island, Malta. Accessible by ferry only from mainland Circuit. Comino is Malta's least inhabited island, with only 3 residents reported since 2017. This small island boasts some of the clearest waters known to man. Popular for its blue lagoons, this is one island you have to visit. 27. Antarctic Peninsula, Antarctica. Those who think of Antarctica as being only wide open white desert spaces are mistaken. The Antarctic Peninsula, where most Antarctica cruises takes travelers, is extremely mountainous. Here, you'll find icebergs, volcanic islands, and 6, 7, and 8,000 foot mountains that plunge dramatically into the heart of the sea. 28. Atacama Desert, Chile. Nestled between the Andes Mountains and the Chilean coast range, the Atacama Desert is a land of extremes. Known to be the driest place on Earth, it receives barely any precipitation. The landscape is, however, extremely rich, being filled with rocky gorges, salt flats, and sandy dunes. 29. Cairngorms National Park, Scotland. The Scottish Highlands, located along the northernmost ridges of the British Isles, have long attracted artists, adventurous types, royalty, and more for their solitude, rugged vistas, and historic castles. 30. Okabango Delta, Botswana. Imagine a wild place where leopards escape the midday sun by climbing into trees, and elephants wade chest deep into the water in search of vegetation. An enormous river delta that empties down from the Angola highlands and into the heart of the Kalahari Desert. The Okabango Delta is a UNESCO World Heritage Site unique for its biodiversity. 31. Sydney, Australia. The city is very multicultural, so the food on offer is delicious, and it's also a fantastic shopping destination. It is one of the most visited tourist destinations in the country and the best holiday destination in the world, attracting over 32 million visitors per year. 32. Whitsunday Islands, Queensland, Australia. The Whitsundays attract sun lovers and sailing enthusiasts from around the world, and for good reason. Imagine a tropical paradise where the whitest sand beaches and most vibrant coral reefs extend in every direction. 33. Malaysia. Malaysia is a wonderful travel destination for those who love sandy beaches, halal food, rich culture and history, religious sites, shopping malls, and beautiful islands. Despite being a small country, Malaysia has numerous places and things that you can reconnoiter and make your trip a memorable one. The best place to visit in Malaysia is none other than its capital, Kuala Lumpur, a city with great food, low cost of living among the world capital. The city has one of the world's largest buildings, the Petronas Twin Tower. They were the tallest building in the world from 1988 to 2004. 34. Keukenhof Park, Holland, Netherlands. The Garden of Europe. Keukenhof Park is one of the world's largest ballpark, situated in Malaysia, South Holland, Netherlands. According to the official website of Keukenhof Park, approximately 7 million flower bulbs are planted annually in the park, which covers an area of 32 hectares. 35. Kenya. What is the most famous in Kenya? Nairobi National Park. Kenya is known for being the world's best safari destination, with 50 ethnic national parks and reserves that are home to diverse wildlife, including the Big Five: lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffalo. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next videos. Until then, thanks much. Bye-bye.